What is up, you guys? It's going down today. Right now.
Here's my 2 cents. Take it with a grain of salt.
What is up, you guys? Salty Penny's here, and after streaming today and having my computer have difficulty with some stuff, I decided, forget this old Ryzen 5, let's go straight to the Threadripper. Now, I wanted to wait until I got all the case and the water cooling and everything, but good lord is this stuff expensive. The case I want is going to be like $300, the water cooling stuff is going to be, I mean, God, I could spend like $1,000 on just water cooling stuff alone. It's insane what the prices are. So I have this wonderful Noctua CPU cooler. So I figured, why wait? I've got a case. It's got good ventilation. I should just go for it. Do a full air-cooled build, and yeah. So, without further ado, we'll start breaking this thing down, and we'll sell the old parts out of this. So if you want some, PM me. I'll sell it all. And yeah, we'll get all these components out and get these new components inside. So, let's get started. I'm gonna wear gloves just because I think that's like the right thing to do. I'm really not sure. Just like want to stop the oils and stuff from getting from my hands onto the components. One, two, three, and four. This is all the old RAM. We'll be selling this because we have this new Trident Z RGB kit. This is 2x16, and we have 4 total chips, which means 64 gigabytes of RAM. Some may think that's overkill, but this is supposed to be an all-in-one gaming, streaming, and editing rig. So I need the RAM, I need the CPU, and I need the good graphics. So it'll be all water cooled, so I should be able to overclock and get some really good performance out of all of this stuff. Anyways, back to it. Perfect. Alright you guys, so as soon as I'm done getting this cooler wiped off, that'll be the end of the teardown. This is the end of part 1 of the video series. Basically, we've torn everything out that needs to come out. The only thing that really would be left to make this a bare chassis would be to take out all the drives and the PSU. But we're going to leave those in for now because the new system will need those, obviously, so that way I can still have all my games and all my editing and everything on my old drives available. So yeah, stick around, check out part 2 and see me put all this new stuff into the old chassis. Stay salty. Deuces.